Approaching the unknown, a piloted alien ship on its way to Earth? An investigative report. The summer of 2025 brought discoveries that sent ripples through both the scientific community and the public. On July 1st, astronomers from multiple observatories simultaneously detected a mysterious interstellar object, now officially designated 3I Atlas. Initial calculations revealed something highly unusual. The object is traveling at 130,000 miles per hour, about 210,000 kilometers per hour, measures up to 15 miles, 24 kilometers, across, and will swing close to the Sun in November 2025 before crossing Earth's orbital path. At first glance, it seemed to be another wandering comet. But too many details don't fit that label. And the deeper experts dig into the data, the more a chilling suspicion emerges. This may not be a natural object at all, but a piloted or remotely controlled craft of extraterrestrial origin. The first red flags. Soon after its detection, researchers at Harvard, including renowned theorist Avi Loeb, released a preliminary study pointing out that 3I Atlas shares more characteristics with a manufactured structure than with a random chunk of ice and dust. Several anomalies stand out. Unusual shape. Based on reflected light curves, the object appears elongated with near-symmetrical contours, atypical for comets formed in chaotic interstellar environments. Lack of a comet tail. As it moves closer to the Sun, it emits almost no gas or dust, which is expected of natural comets but not of engineered spacecraft. Course adjustments. Tracking stations observed subtle shifts in its trajectory in early July that cannot be explained by gravitational effects alone. Natural bodies don't correct their paths. Radio emissions. According to unverified reports, a Chilean observatory picked up faint radio noise with a digital modulation signature, coinciding with the object's coordinates. Taken together, these signals have led some experts to whisper, this is not just a rock drifting through space. This may be something designed, something intelligent. Who are they, and why are they coming? Proponents of the alien craft theory offer several scenarios. Reconnaissance. 3I Atlas could be a mothership, preparing to release swarms of drones or probes to study Earth. November, when it's closest to the Sun, would be ideal for harvesting solar energy and covert deployment. Contact, or conquest. Another camp speculates that this is a crewed mission, sent to initiate humanity's first encounter with extraterrestrial life, or to demonstrate their power. Resource extraction. Some scientists suggest the ship might be a mining platform, harvesting rare elements in the inner solar system while using planetary gravity for navigation. What unsettles many is that NASA, ESA, and other space agencies are saying almost nothing publicly, repeating only that the object poses no threat. Yet in private conversations, several astronomers admit they aren't confident this is just another comet. Prophesies and coincidences. Mystics and conspiracy theorists are amplifying the tension. They point to the prophesies of Bulgarian clairvoyant Baba Vanga, who allegedly predicted that humanity would meet beings from another world in 2025. With 3I Atlas now inbound, social media is ablaze. This is it. The aliens are coming. These fears are stoked by reports from independent astronomers who claim to have seen light anomalies around the object, flashes resembling engine burns or energy discharges rather than natural outgassing. Why are governments silent? According to sources within astronomical circles, several governments have received classified briefings acknowledging that 3I Atlas is behaving inconsistent with natural bodies and warrants round-the-clock surveillance. Publicly, however, there's no acknowledgement, reportedly to avoid sparking mass panic. Behind the scenes, discussions allegedly range from preparing for first contact to drawing up defensive protocols in case of hostility. So far, officials offer no concrete details. The object remains too distant for full analysis. What happens in November? By late November 2025, 3I Atlas will make its closest pass to the Sun before intersecting Earth's orbital plane. Harvard's analysis suggests the risk of a collision is minimal, but November could mark the object's activation window, the moment when probes could be launched, communications transmitted, or the ship itself could maneuver toward Earth. If this truly is an alien vessel, humanity is on the brink of its first direct encounter with intelligent extraterrestrials, and no one knows whether that meeting will be peaceful. Final thoughts. One thing is certain, 3I Atlas is only the third interstellar visitor ever detected, after Oumuamua and 2I Borisov, and it behaves far too strangely to be easily dismissed as an ordinary comet. Could it be a piloted craft? The evidence is circumstantial but mounting: anomalous movements, an engineered-looking shape, radio emissions, government secrecy, and uncanny ties to decades-old predictions all lend weight to the possibility. Now, the world can only wait for November, and hope that if visitors are indeed coming, they are here to talk, not to take over.